the Growth Management Act is a huge constraint. There's 14 different criteria that's very complex down to the local level between forest land and agricultural land and how we zone. And there's been mistakes in the past that can't really be easily undone. However, I am working on that. I'm working with our county. I'm meeting with individual property owners, people who, and there's a wetland constraint as well that's impacted a lot of property owners. So property owners have lost a lot of rights over the years. And a lot of it's out of our control, but some of it was prior decision making, prior zoning that have negatively impacted people. We're in the penalty box right now with the Growth Management Act, and that keeps low-cost loans and other grants from the state away from us. So it's a kind of a double penalty. The urban holding area we're trying to release. That should be pretty eminent, and at least those property owners that want to subdivide, that want to develop, will have more opportunity to do that. And that's going to be happening in the next few months. Hopefully that'll come to a vote. I'm pretty confident that all the councilors agree that we need to release that from urban holding. As to the rest of the issues that have come from the comprehensive plan and the rezoning of properties from 1 to 5 to 10 to 20 to 80 acre lots or greater, we are trying to sort through that. We're also constrained at the county level, at the councilor level, that we don't really have any property rights experts, any lawyers that work for us and support us. We get them from the district attorney's office, and they don't work for us. We don't hire them. We don't train them. We don't rate them. They just provide us some legal support. We need more help. So I'm going to be looking to a lot of our citizens that have been impacted to tell me their stories, and I have already begun the process of taking those individual stories to the county to see if we can find some remedies for the individual property owners that have been directly impacted by some of these negative consequences of the Growth Management Act and the comprehensive plan, land use plan that's in effect right now. We'll be looking towards some amendments in the future, and hopefully we'll do a much better job. Obviously, we have a new team. We have a new manager. We've got new public works folks. Community development is still a lot of the old cast. I'm impacted where on my own property I'd like to subdivide myself, and I can't. Maybe someday in the future, but growth management and the consequences of the planning that have occurred really constrain all of us in Clark County. I think we'll do a better job now and in the future to give you back your rights to your own property.